What in the Black Point world is going on here? He's got to know those are running right. In fact, those look like they're in gear. How could you not know this? Maybe he needs the assist on the get out? Oh my. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Those are in gear. This is a dangerous spot. Somebody's blaring their horn at him like, bro, stop. Oh my gosh, and they're trimmed down too. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Somebody's running up to the truck telling him he's got to fix this. Oh, and here he comes, going to fix the issue. He didn't know. I thought for sure our guy knew. But I don't think so now that he didn't have a clue what was going on. My man was about to just pull out and drive down the road like that. Oh my. I'm not sure how you missed that one. Hey guys, another one of those reasons why you wear those little safety kill switch lanyards. Just so you know. Just a little heads up. Oh, but he's good to get out of here, but man, that could have ended so bad. And I mean, somebody could have got hurt. Or you could have really done some damage to a motor if one of those props would have hit the concrete. And our crew coming in on approach. Cap's got a good angle. Let's see if he can hold it. And he's got somebody, there we go, somebody on the dock. Get some lines wrapped around. She's doing the Black Point shuffle. The dock's hot. She's got no shoes on. And she's going to be bouncing foot to foot. Like, yeah, get me back on this boat. Here comes our crew making their approach on the dock. And I talked about this in a video before where I hate seeing things on the side of the boat or in the stern of the boat. But even in the bow like this, because it's even in the bow on the side, it looks like he's going to try and dock on, which means it's going to be in the way of whoever he sends up here to handle lines. And here we go. So our crew's making their turn around. Cap's getting it lined up. Good angle so far. Nice slow movements. And Wifey and Captain both look back at the camera to make sure we're filming. So the pressure's on now. And they're getting out. They're getting out. Oh, and they hit the dock. And our guy in the bow couldn't even stop it because once again the mat's in the way. So where they hit, he couldn't even get to try and push them off. So Cap's gonna try and come back around. But again, our guy in the bow can't even access it because he can't get over that. So he's going to have to toss a line. There we go. But that'll get him on. So you'll remember this crew. This was Black Point Shuffle. She's back on the dock, and they're trying to get it pulled over. But, man, the boat's being drugged by the current. Trying to get it wrapped around, but they are struggling to get this boat back over now. And here we go. Cap's going to step up and try and do it. And they should be back on. So our crew's coming in on approach. Angle's not too bad right now. But the current is catching him a little bit. Cap's going to have to come back around if he's trying to go on that inside dock. And everybody's on the side looking for the push-off because he's going to hit the edge. And we will get the push-off, but Cap's not around. He's going to have to bring it around. Hang on. There's like 3 of them trying to grab the dock and hold on, but they can't get it over. Cap's going to try and swing it around. And we get a line on. Cap leaves the helm. Still continuing with the push off. And we've got somebody spinning tires. So a little two for action on this one, as we can tell our truck right over here can't get off the ramp either. And there we go, they get a little grip. And that'll get them up, and our crew has their boat on as well. And our crew's coming in, watch out for the rental boats. He's gonna have to give the push off. And Cap, can you... Oh, you're going back into him again, bro. And now we're going to make our approach on the dock. There we go. Somebody gives him the kickoff on the dock, though. Now Cap's got to get the stern around. So Cap looks like he's telling him to walk it forward. Needs to turn the motor... Bring the stern toward the dock. But it's going to drift in and they'll probably be okay. So we got Wavy playing a game of tug of war, and you can see Cap's left the helm. He's trying to push him off. Like several people we've seen today, he just missed and winds up on the end of the dock. The current's starting to rip here at the end of the day. And it's really giving some captain's fits, kind of like we're seeing here. But our guy's trying to push off, but he really needs to go back to the helm, give this thing a little power. And it looks like that's what he's going to do. I believe Wavy has tossed the line back into the boat.
Oh yeah, I messed up your video, I'm sorry.
No big deal. Brother. And here comes our Cap again. So he's trying to get it back around. Our contender's going to come onto the inside. And here we go. We'll go for the line toss to Wavy. And he's got a good angle. We should be good to go from here. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover. Remain a machine, take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.